birthday storm 06. It's blizzardy, coming back from a short day at Loveland. Alrighty. Take it easy, tractor trailer, take it easy. Everyone thinks they got 18-wheel drive and can go wherever they want. Take it easy. Please. All good things have to come to an end. We'll see what the problem is eventually. Well, looks like we have the problem here. A couple 18-wheelers jacked up. I'm kind of slipping around. Okay, well, we'll get through it here. This is pretty unbelievable. This is BB, Birthday Blizzard. Just went outside. Very high winds, blowing snow everywhere. It's ridiculous out. I've never seen anything like this. This is amazing. Have another, normally a half an hour drive left, but I don't know how long it'll take. We'll see. Taking it slow. Here we go. It's absolutely unreal. I have no idea where I'm going. I'm just trying to move and keep myself moving because I don't want to get stuck. I don't know at all where I am. A complete whiteout. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Thank God that they have power lines because I would have no effing clue where the hell I am. Just, following that and other cars once they show up. Otherwise, it's just a big whiteout. All white. It's amazing. BB. Yeah, it's still coming down. Luckily, I got some people in front of me so I can see where the hell I'm going. But my windshield wipers are frozen, so that doesn't make it very easy to see out my stupid ass windshield. Hey, it's all good though, This is all part of it, This is the goodness. Yeah. Alrighty. Well, I made it back to Boulder. Took about 3 hours. And we're just about to hit the Pearl Street Mall here. Plenty of people out and about. They say we already have a foot on the ground and another foot to a foot and a half more. Very, very impressive. Very impressive to say the least. So, I'll enjoy my birthday just the same. No doubt about it. No doubt about it, people. Oh yeah. Gotta go. Green light. There's the Pearl Street Mall.